Hey everyone, welcome back to Ambition. In this video, I'll show you how to pin tabs in Google Chrome. Pinning tabs keep your most important websites open and easily accessible every time you use Chrome. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open up Google Chrome on your computer, which I already have right here. Step 2. Go to the website you want to keep pinned in your browser. Let's go to apple.com as an example. Step 3. Right-click on the tab at the top of the browser. Step 4, from the menu, click Pin. Step 5, the tab will shrink and move to the left side of your browser so it stays open and easy to access. If you want to remove it, right-click the Pin tab and click Unpin. And that's how you pin tabs in Google Chrome. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to Ambition, and I'll see you in the next one.